Good evening, guys. This is Joshua with the Car Wash channel of Northern PA in Ohio. Today we are doing a revisit of WhataWash Car Wash in Boardman, Ohio. When I last filmed this wash, they had a dyno wash system in here. They recently upgraded it to a razor, a wash rolled razor, even with a new payment system. Let's... Oh. Bias. We're gonna go with the ultimate.
Wash. Would you like to add any of these additional services?
Sorry, guys. Sure. Might as well go all out.
Review your selection, but press Pay Now. Choose your method of payment. Follow the instructions on the credit card reader. Tap the red Cancel button to go back.
This is difficult, guys.
The card entered was not a gift card. Follow the instructions on the credit card reader. Tap the red...
There we go. Hit the wrong button.
For a receipt, press Print.
Please drive forward.
Or pull into the wash bay. Please collect your receipt.
Here we go. Yeah, it is now. Once I pull in there, it will be. We're gonna start off with a high pressure wheel cleaning.
Please drive forward.
Oh, there we go. There's the sweet spot.
Place car in park.
Gonna start off with a pre-soak. And I added everything, so this is everything this wash has to offer. Gonna get a double cover of pre-soak in the front. Now it's getting the back. Now we're getting more pre-soak.
Your cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle. The Crisco cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Another coating of pre-soak. You get your money's worth out of this, apparently. This is the third covering of pre-soak. Now a high pressure rinse. Just doing a double pass on the front bumper. Now it's coming back to the front. Oh, nope, it's doing another pass on the back. Now we're getting our triple foam.
Product is now being applied to your vehicle. The tricolor foam product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Damn, the coverage on this machine is very good. I can't even see out of my window.
A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle. Super sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Another sealant product. Now another rinse.
The pre-seal cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
I don't know what this is, but I don't think it's a pre-soak cleaning product like the machine said. This is the most expensive in-bay automatic that I've been through. I paid $21 for everything in this package. Spot free. And our dryer.